Hey guys, don't mind the leftover makeup from yesterday. Yeah. So this is just gonna be a quick nesting video again. Um, I clean, and I clean my room, but I don't know why it always turns out to be dirty again. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna be like another fast nesting video. I technically only have 2 more days till my due date. Yeah, tomorrow and Sunday. Sunday's my due date, but I do not think he's coming on his actual due date. I think he's probably gonna wait till my mom gets here. My mom is in Mexico, like I mentioned on my previous 2 vlogs. She is in Mexico. She'll be arriving back on Monday, so I think he's probably gonna wait till my mom's here. Hopefully. So yeah, this is just gonna be a nesting. So just if you want to keep watching and see me clean my room once again, do laundry and all of the fun stuff, just keep on watching. Finally took off my eyebrows. I know they were just hanging there for their life, you know, but I'm pretty much gonna end this video already. I pretty much just cleaned my room. All I need to do now is just fold my laundry and the cobijitas that I put in afterwards, but they're drying right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But let me show you my room. It pretty much looks really, really clean. I vacuumed and everything, even though you guys didn't see me vacuuming, but I vacuumed. So yeah, let me show you my room. Here it is from like the point view of the door right here. Obviously I have my hospital bag right there, just ready to go, like bounce, like let's go. And yeah, pretty much it is clean. Like I said, I still need to fold my laundry. Here's another view from my vanity side. So here's the bed, my bed, Bebe's crib, the basket, my laundry, me, TV, and everything else. You guys, like I said, I pretty much just did a really quick nesting video. Like I mentioned at the beginning, technically I have 2 days till my due date, but I know, oh look, Max, I know that he could come like later, which it kind of looks like that's what's gonna happen. I have been contracting. I do get contractions during the night mainly. After I had the membrane sweep, girl, my pelvis area hurts, and plus I feel like cramping, soreness type of feeling. So yes, and I think more of my mucus plug came out. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys want me to do a separate video talking about my experience getting the membrane sweep or stripping the membrane or whatever it's called, let me know in the comments below. I'll for sure do a separate video. I'll probably just do it too, so I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. And again, if for any reason I don't upload tomorrow or the next days or the next few days, just know that's probably because I went into labor. If not, then obviously you guys are going to be seeing videos until whenever I go into labor. But yeah, I think he's just waiting till my mom's back. That's pretty much it. I think that's what it is. But yeah, here's the bump. Oh, I still have to throw the trash away too. But here's the bump. I love you guys, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything. Just let me know your experiences, your nesting experiences, memory sweep experience, anything. He just kicked me. So yeah, just let me know, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell next to the subscription button, and yeah, just get notified whenever I upload. Yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.